Introduction to pet grooming. Pet grooming is a vital service that extends beyond mere aesthetics, playing a crucial role in maintaining a pet's overall health and well-being. Regular grooming helps prevent skin issues, matting, and discomfort, contributing significantly to a pet's quality of life. This introductory section establishes the foundational importance of professional grooming, highlighting its impact on both physical health and emotional comfort for animals. Understanding the scope of grooming services, from basic bathing to intricate styling, is essential for any aspiring groomer. It also touches upon the growing demand for skilled professionals in this rewarding field, emphasizing the responsibility and care involved in working with animals. A professional groomer's responsibilities encompass a wide range of tasks, including bathing, drying, brushing, de-shedding, nail trimming, ear cleaning, and styling. Each task requires specific techniques and an understanding of different coat types and breed standards. Beyond the technical skills, groomers must also possess excellent communication abilities to interact effectively with pet owners, discussing their preferences and providing advice on home care. This role demands patience, attention to detail, and a genuine love for animals, ensuring a positive experience for both the pet and its owner. Adhering to high standards of hygiene and safety is paramount in every aspect of the grooming process. Ethics and professionalism. Ethical conduct and professionalism are cornerstones of a successful pet grooming career, building trust with both pets and their owners. This involves always prioritizing the animal's welfare, ensuring their comfort and safety throughout the grooming process, and never causing undue stress or pain. A professional groomer maintains transparency with clients, openly discussing services, pricing, and any health concerns observed during grooming. Upholding confidentiality regarding client information and pet details is also crucial. These principles guide every interaction, fostering a positive reputation and strong client relationships. Always striving for excellence and continuous learning demonstrates a commitment to the profession. Maintaining a high standard of professionalism extends to personal presentation, salon cleanliness, and adherence to industry best practices and regulations. Groomers should always appear neat and tidy, reflecting the care they provide to pets. The grooming environment must be impeccably clean and sanitized to prevent the spread of disease and ensure a healthy space for animals. This includes sterilizing tools, regularly cleaning surfaces, and managing waste effectively. Staying updated on new techniques, products, and animal care advancements through ongoing education is also a hallmark of a true professional. These practices collectively ensure a safe, respectful, and high-quality service. Safety in the grooming salon. Safety is paramount in any pet grooming salon, protecting both the animals and the staff from potential harm. This involves implementing strict protocols for handling pets, especially those who may be anxious, aggressive, or elderly. Proper restraint techniques, always gentle yet firm, are crucial to prevent accidents during bathing, drying, or clipping. Understanding animal body language is key to anticipating reactions and de-escalating stressful situations before they become dangerous. The environment itself must be designed with safety in mind, minimizing slip hazards, securing equipment, and ensuring adequate ventilation. Regular training on emergency procedures, such as fire safety or animal escape protocols, is also essential for all staff members. Beyond animal handling, salon safety extends to the proper use and maintenance of grooming tools and equipment. Sharp instruments like scissors and clippers must be handled with extreme care and stored securely when not in use. Electrical equipment, such as dryers and clippers, requires regular inspection to prevent malfunctions and electrical hazards. All staff should be trained in first aid for both humans and animals, knowing how to respond quickly and effectively to minor injuries or medical emergencies. Maintaining a clean and clutter-free workspace also reduces the risk of trips, falls, and accidental exposure to chemicals. A proactive approach to safety creates a secure environment for everyone. Understanding pet behavior and handling. Understanding pet behavior is fundamental for effective and stress-free grooming. allowing groomers to interpret an animal's emotional state and respond appropriately. Recognizing signs of anxiety, fear, or aggression, such as flattened ears, tail tucked, lip licking, or growling, enables a groomer to adjust their approach. Positive reinforcement techniques, including calm vocalizations, gentle touches, and treats, can help build trust and create a more positive experience for the pet. Learning to read subtle cues helps prevent escalation of undesirable behaviors, ensuring the safety of both the pet and the groomer. Patience and empathy are crucial when working with animals, especially those who may have had negative past experiences. Effective handling techniques are designed to minimize stress and maximize cooperation during grooming procedures. This includes using appropriate leashes, harnesses, and gentle restraints that are secure but not overly restrictive. Approaching pets slowly, allowing them to sniff hands, and speaking in a soothing tone can significantly reduce their apprehension. For particularly nervous or aggressive animals, specialized techniques like counter-conditioning or desensitization may be employed to gradually acclimate them to the grooming process, always prioritizing the animal's comfort and well-being, even if it means taking more time or adjusting the grooming plan, is a hallmark of a skilled and compassionate groomer. Understanding breed-specific temperaments also aids in anticipating reactions. Essential grooming tools. A comprehensive understanding of essential grooming tools is critical for every professional pet groomer, as the right tool ensures efficiency and quality results. Brushes come in various types, including slicker brushes for removing mats and loose undercoat, pin brushes for longer coats, and bristle brushes for smooth, short coats. Each brush serves a specific purpose, preventing damage to the skin and coat while effectively detangling and smoothing. Combs, such as wide-toothed and fine-toothed varieties, are indispensable for checking for mats, separating hair, and finishing touches. Selecting the correct brush and comb for a pet's specific coat type is the first step towards a successful groom. Investing in high-quality tools is crucial for durability and performance. Beyond brushes and combs, other fundamental tools include nail clippers, ear cleaning supplies, and specialized shampoos and conditioners. Nail clippers, available in guillotine or scissor styles, must be sharp and appropriate for the pet's size to ensure quick, clean cuts. Ear cleaning solutions and cotton balls are used to gently clean the outer ear canal, preventing infections. A range of professional-grade shampoos and conditioners, formulated for different coat types and skin conditions, are vital for effective bathing and skin health. Understanding the proper application and benefits of each product is key to achieving a healthy, clean, and shiny coat. Always ensure tools are clean and sterilized before use. Bathing and drying equipment. Specialized bathing equipment is designed to make the washing process efficient, comfortable, and safe for pets of all sizes. Professional grooming tubs, often made of stainless steel, feature non-slip surfaces and adjustable heights to accommodate different breeds and reduce strain on the groomer. These tubs typically have spray nozzles with adjustable water pressure and temperature controls, allowing for thorough rinsing and a comfortable bathing experience. Some advanced tubs include built-in restraints to keep pets secure during washing. Proper drainage systems are also essential to maintain a clean and hygienic environment. Investing in high-quality bathing stations significantly improves workflow and pet comfort. Drying equipment is equally crucial, ensuring pets are thoroughly dried to prevent skin issues and matting, especially in long-haired breeds. High-velocity dryers are standard in professional salons, capable of quickly removing excess water from the coat without using heat, which can be harmful. Stand dryers provide hands-free drying, allowing groomers to brush and style simultaneously. Cage dryers, used with caution and proper ventilation, can gently dry pets in a controlled environment. Understanding the correct use of each dryer type, including appropriate air pressure and temperature settings, is vital to prevent skin irritation, overheating, or fear in the animal. Always monitor pets closely during the drying process. Clippers, blades, and scissors. Electric clippers are indispensable tools for pet groomers, used for various tasks from full body shaves to intricate styling. Understanding the different types of clippers, such as corded and cordless models, and their respective motor speeds is crucial for selecting the right tool for the job. High-quality clippers are designed for quiet operation and minimal vibration, reducing stress for the animal. Proper handling and technique are essential to prevent clipper burn or injury to the pet's skin. Regular cleaning and oiling of clippers ensure their longevity and optimal performance. Always check the clipper's temperature during use to ensure it doesn't get too hot for the pet's comfort. Blades and scissors are critical components that work in conjunction with clippers to achieve desired coat lengths and styles. Clipper blades come in various sizes, each designed for a specific cut length, from very short surgical cuts to longer finishing lengths. Understanding blade numbering systems and their corresponding hair lengths is vital for consistent results. Grooming scissors, including straight, curved, and thinning shears, are used for precision work, shaping, and blending. Each type of scissor serves a unique purpose, requiring skill and practice to master. Maintaining the sharpness and cleanliness of all blades and scissors is paramount for safety and efficiency, preventing pulls and snags on the pet's coat. Sterilization after each use is non-negotiable. Tool maintenance and sterilization. Proper tool maintenance and sterilization are non-negotiable practices in a professional grooming salon, directly impacting pet safety and the longevity of equipment. After each use, all tools, especially clippers, blades, and scissors, must be thoroughly cleaned to remove hair, debris, and product residue. This prevents the buildup of bacteria and ensures tools operate smoothly. Regular oiling of clipper blades and scissor pivots is essential to reduce friction, prevent rust, and maintain sharpness, extending their lifespan. Neglecting maintenance can lead to dull tools that pull hair, cause discomfort to the pet, and increase the risk of injury. A systematic approach to cleaning and oiling should be part of daily salon operations. Sterilization goes beyond simple cleaning, aiming to eliminate pathogens and prevent the spread of infectious diseases between pets. After cleaning, tools should be immersed in a professional-grade disinfectant solution for the recommended contact time, or sterilized using a UV sterilizer or autoclave. This is particularly crucial for tools that come into contact with skin, such as clippers and nail trimmers. Maintaining separate sets of tools for pets with known skin conditions or parasites can further minimize cross-contamination risks. Proper storage of sterilized tools in clean, dry containers also prevents recontamination. Adhering to these strict hygiene protocols protects the health of every animal groomed in the salon and upholds the salon's professional reputation. Basic canine anatomy. A fundamental understanding of basic canine anatomy is essential for pet groomers, enabling them to work safely and effectively while recognizing potential health issues. Knowledge of skeletal structure helps in proper handling and positioning, avoiding stress on joints or bones during grooming. Understanding muscle groups guides where to apply pressure during brushing and massage, promoting comfort. Familiarity with the location of vital organs and major blood vessels is crucial to prevent accidental injury, especially during tasks like nail trimming or ear cleaning. This anatomical awareness allows groomers to perform their duties with precision and confidence, minimizing risks to the animal. It also aids in identifying areas that might be sensitive or painful for a pet. Beyond internal structures, groomers must also be knowledgeable about external canine anatomy, including different coat types, skin characteristics, and common anatomical features. Recognizing various coat textures, such as double coats, silky coats, or wire coats, is vital for selecting appropriate grooming tools and techniques. Understanding skin health, including common conditions like dryness, oiliness, or allergies, helps groomers identify issues that require veterinary attention. Knowing the structure of paws, ears, and eyes allows for proper cleaning and care, preventing infections or discomfort. This comprehensive anatomical knowledge forms the basis for providing tailored and safe grooming services, enhancing a pet's overall health and appearance. It also helps in communicating concerns to owners. Common skin or coat conditions. Groomers are often the first to notice common skin and coat conditions in pets, making their observational skills invaluable for early detection and intervention. Recognizing signs such as excessive scratching, redness, flakiness, bald patches, or unusual odors can indicate underlying issues like allergies, infections, or parasites. Different skin conditions manifest in various ways. For instance, hot spots appear as red, moist, irritated lesions, while dry skin might present with dandruff and dull fur. Understanding these visual cues allows groomers to advise owners to seek veterinary care promptly, preventing conditions from worsening. It is crucial for groomers to know their limits and always refer medical concerns to a veterinarian. Proper grooming techniques can sometimes alleviate mild skin and coat issues, but groomers must also know when to avoid certain procedures. For example, aggressive brushing on irritated skin can exacerbate the problem, and certain shampoos might worsen allergic reactions. Using hypoallergenic or medicated shampoos, when appropriate and with owner consent, can be beneficial for sensitive skin. However, the primary role of the groomer is to identify the problem, communicate it clearly to the owner, and ensure the pet's comfort during grooming. Maintaining meticulous salon hygiene also prevents the spread of contagious skin conditions. Continuous education on dermatological issues in pets is highly recommended for all professional groomers. Recognizing parasites. Recognizing common external parasites is a critical skill for pet groomers, as these pests can cause significant discomfort and health issues for animals. Fleas are tiny, fast-moving insects often visible as small dark specks, especially around the neck, tail base, and inner thighs, and their droppings, flea dirt, appear as black specks that turn reddish-brown when wet. Ticks are larger, eight-legged arachnids that attach to the skin, often found in crevices like ears, armpits, and between toes, and can range in size from a pinhead to a pea when engorged. Mites are microscopic, causing intense itching, hair loss, and skin irritation, though they are usually not visible to the naked eye. Early detection allows for prompt treatment and prevents infestations. Upon identifying parasites, a groomer's immediate responsibility is to inform the pet owner and advise them to seek veterinary attention. While groomers can use flea and tick shampoos, these are often temporary solutions and do not treat the underlying infestation or prevent future ones. It is crucial to avoid attempting to remove engorged ticks without proper training, as improper removal can leave mouthparts embedded, leading to infection. Strict salon hygiene protocols, including thorough cleaning and disinfection of the grooming area and tools, are essential to prevent the spread of parasites to other pets. Groomers play a vital role in the overall health surveillance of pets, acting as an important line of defense against parasitic infestations. Always prioritize the pet's health and safety. First aid in the grooming salon. Being prepared for minor injuries and medical emergencies with basic first aid knowledge is crucial for every pet groomer. A well-stocked first aid kit for both humans and animals should always be readily accessible, containing essentials like antiseptic wipes, gauze, bandages, styptic powder for nail quicks, and saline solution for aisle flushing. Knowing how to quickly and calmly address common grooming-related incidents, such as nicks, cuts, or clipper burns, can prevent further complications. Immediate action, such as applying pressure to stop bleeding or flushing an eye, can make a significant difference in a pet's comfort and recovery. Regular review of first aid procedures ensures groomers are always ready to respond effectively. Beyond immediate injury response, groomers should also be able to recognize signs of more serious conditions that require urgent veterinary attention. These might include sudden collapse, severe allergic reactions, heat stroke, or difficulty breathing. Knowing how to safely transport an injured or ill pet to a veterinary clinic is also an important aspect of salon first aid. Establishing clear protocols for emergency situations, including contact information for local veterinarians and emergency animal hospitals, is vital. While groomers are not veterinarians, their ability to provide initial care and recognize when professional medical intervention is needed, is invaluable for the safety and well-being of the animals in their care. Always prioritize the pet's life and health. Pre-bathing preparation. Thorough pre-bathing preparation is a crucial step in the grooming process, setting the foundation for a successful and efficient bath. This initial stage involves a comprehensive brush out to remove loose hair, dirt, and any significant mats or tangles. Failing to demat before bathing will only tighten existing mats, making them much harder, if not impossible, to remove without resorting to shaving, which can be stressful for the pet. A careful inspection of the pet's skin, ears, eyes, and paws for any abnormalities, parasites, or injuries is also performed at this stage. This allows the groomer to address any concerns with the owner before the bath begins. It also helps in selecting the appropriate shampoo and conditioner. Another vital part of pre-bathing preparation includes protecting the pet's ears and eyes. Cotton balls are gently placed in the ear canals to prevent water from entering, which can lead to ear infections. A small amount of ophthalmic ointment or a tear-free shampoo can be used around the eyes to protect them from irritation. Nail trimming is often performed before the bath, as wet nails are softer and easier to cut, and it also prevents the pet from scratching themselves or the groomer during the bath. Finally, gathering all necessary bathing supplies, such as shampoos, conditioners, towels, and a non-slip mat for the tub, ensures a smooth and uninterrupted bathing process. This systematic approach minimizes stress for the pet and maximizes efficiency for the groomer. Proper bathing techniques are essential for thoroughly cleaning a pet's coat and skin while ensuring their comfort and safety. Begin by thoroughly wetting the entire coat with lukewarm water, ensuring penetration down to the skin. Apply shampoo, starting from the neck and working downwards towards the tail and legs, paying special attention to areas prone to dirt buildup, like paws and underbelly. Lather gently but thoroughly, using massaging motions to stimulate the skin and distribute the shampoo evenly. Avoid getting shampoo in the pet's eyes or ears, even with tear-free formulas. For pets with specific skin conditions, use veterinarian-prescribed or recommended medicated shampoos, allowing them to sit for the instructed time before rinsing. Always speak in a calm, reassuring voice to keep the pet relaxed. Rinsing is arguably the most critical part of the bathing process, as any shampoo residue left on the coat can cause skin irritation, dryness, or dullness. Rinse thoroughly with clean, lukewarm water until the water runs clear and no suds are visible. Start rinsing from the head, working downwards, ensuring all shampoo is removed from every part of the body, including the underbelly and between the toes. For double-coated breeds, it is especially important to rinse until the water runs completely clear from the undercoat. After rinsing, gently squeeze excess water from the coat before applying conditioner. This meticulous rinsing process ensures a healthy, clean, and residue-free coat, preventing potential skin problems and leaving the pet feeling fresh and comfortable. Always check the water temperature. Conditioning and rinsing. After a thorough shampoo, applying a suitable conditioner is vital for restoring moisture, detangling the coat, and improving its overall health and appearance. Conditioners help to close the hair cuticles, making the coat smoother, shinier, and less prone to matting and static electricity. Select a conditioner appropriate for the pet's coat type and skin needs, such as a moisturizing conditioner for dry skin or a de-shedding conditioner for heavy shedders. Apply the conditioner evenly throughout the coat, paying extra attention to longer hair and areas prone to tangles. Gently massage it in, ensuring full coverage, and allow it to sit for the recommended time, usually a few minutes, to maximize its benefits. This step significantly enhances the coat's manageability and luster. A final rinse after conditioning is just as important as the shampoo rinse, ensuring no product residue is left behind to irritate the skin or weigh down the coat. Rinse the pet thoroughly with lukewarm water until the coat feels clean and free of any slick or soaky residue. For pets with sensitive skin, an extra long rinse is often beneficial. After rinsing, gently squeeze excess water from the coat, working from head to tail. Use a clean, absorbent towel to blot the pet dry, removing as much surface water as possible before moving to forced air drying. This careful conditioning and rinsing process contributes to a healthy, vibrant coat that is easier to groom and maintain, leaving the pet feeling soft and comfortable. Always ensure the water temperature is comfortable. Drying methods and safety. Effective and safe drying methods are crucial for preventing skin issues, matting, and discomfort in pets after bathing. High-velocity dryers are standard in professional salons, designed to blast water off the coat quickly without using excessive heat. This method is highly efficient for most coat types, significantly reducing drying time. When using a high-velocity dryer, always start with a lower setting and gradually increase pressure, keeping the nozzle moving constantly to avoid concentrating air in one spot. Protect the pet's ears from the noise and ensure their eyes are shielded. Always monitor the pet's reaction and body temperature to prevent stress or overheating. Proper technique prevents damage to the coat and skin. Other drying methods include stand dryers and cage dryers, each with specific applications and safety considerations. Stand dryers allow for hands-free drying, enabling groomers to brush and style the coat simultaneously, which is ideal for fluff drying. Cage dryers provide a gentle, controlled drying environment, often used for pets that are anxious about high-velocity dryers or for finishing touches. When using cage dryers, ensure adequate ventilation. Never leave a pet unattended, and always use a low heat setting to prevent overheating. Regular checks of the pet's temperature and comfort level are essential. Combining these methods effectively ensures a thoroughly dry, fluffy, and healthy coat, while prioritizing the pet's safety and well-being. Always ensure the pet is comfortable. Brushing techniques for different coats. Mastering brushing techniques for various coat types is fundamental to professional grooming, preventing mats and maintaining coat health. For long, silky coats like those of Shih Tzus or Yorkshire Terriers, line brushing is essential, where the coat is parted in small sections and brushed layer by layer from the skin outwards. This ensures thorough detangling and prevents nist spots. Double-coated breeds, such as Huskies or Golden Retrievers, require a slicker brush and undercoat rake to remove loose undercoat, preventing matting and promoting air circulation. Brushing against the grain can help lift the undercoat for better removal. Always use a gentle touch to avoid skin irritation, especially with sensitive breeds. Regular brushing stimulates natural oils, promoting a healthy shine. Short, smooth coats, like those of beagles or boxers, benefit from a rubber curry brush or bristle brush to remove loose hair, stimulate circulation, and add shine. These brushes are excellent for massaging the skin and distributing natural oils. Wire-haired breeds, such as terriers, often require hand-spithing or specific brushing techniques to maintain their coarse texture, using a slicker brush or a stripping knife. Curly coats, found in poodles or Bichon Frises, need thorough brushing with a slicker brush to prevent taut matting, often requiring brushing while slightly damp to avoid breakage. Understanding each coat's unique needs and selecting the appropriate brush and technique is key to achieving optimal results and ensuring the pet's comfort. Always finish with a comb to check for any missed tangles. Dematting and detangling. Dematting and detangling are often challenging but necessary tasks in pet grooming, requiring patience, skill, and the right tools to prevent discomfort or injury to the pet. Mats are tightly tangled clumps of fur that can pull on the skin, causing pain, skin irritation, and even infections. Before attempting to remove mats, assess their severity and location. Small, loose tangles can often be worked out with a detanglant spray and a wide-toothed comb or a slicker brush, starting from the ends of the hair and gradually working towards the skin. Always support the skin at the base of the mat to minimize pulling and discomfort for the pet. Patience is key, as rushing can cause pain and fear. For more severe or tight mats, specialized tools like a mat splitter or a dematting rake may be necessary. These tools are designed to cut through or break up mats without cutting the skin. However, extreme caution must be exercised when using them, as they are very sharp and can easily injure the pet if not used correctly. In cases of severe pelted matting, where the mats are tight against the skin and cover large areas, the safest and most humane option is often to shave the pet's coat short underneath the mats. This requires careful clipper work to avoid cutting the skin, which can be very thin and fragile underneath tight mats. Always communicate the severity of matting and the proposed solution to the owner before proceeding, prioritizing the pet's welfare above all else. Never attempt to pull or rip out mats forcefully. Shedding control methods. Shedding control is a common request from pet owners, and professional groomers offer various methods to reduce excessive hair loss and maintain a healthier coat. Deshedding treatments typically involve specialized shampoos and conditioners designed to loosen the undercoat, followed by thorough brushing with deshedding tools. Tools like the Furminator or undercoat rakes are highly effective at removing loose, dead hair from double-coated breeds, significantly reducing shedding around the home. Consistent and proper use of these tools, combined with a good bathing regimen, can dramatically improve a pet's coat health and reduce the amount of hair shed. Educating owners on the benefits of regular deshedding is also an important aspect of client communication. Beyond specialized tools, proper nutrition and regular veterinary checkups also play a role in managing shedding, as excessive shedding can sometimes indicate underlying health issues. Groomers should advise owners on the importance of a balanced diet rich in omega fatty acids, which contribute to skin and coat health. While groomers focus on external care, they can also recommend supplements or dietary changes if they suspect nutritional deficiencies are contributing to shedding. Regular deshedding appointments, typically every 4 to 6 weeks, help maintain the results and keep the pet's coat in optimal condition. This holistic approach to shedding control provides the best outcome for both the pet and the owner, ensuring a cleaner home environment and a healthier, happier animal. Always ensure the pet is comfortable during the process. Nail trimming and paw care. Nail trimming is a fundamental and often challenging aspect of pet grooming, essential for a pet's comfort, health, and mobility. Overgrown nails can cause pain, deform the paw, lead to infections, and even affect a pet's gait, potentially causing skeletal issues over time. There are two main types of nail clippers, guillotine style and scissor style, each suitable for different nail sizes and groomer preferences. Always use sharp, clean clippers appropriate for the pet's size. The goal is to trim the tip of the nail, avoiding the quick, which is the sensitive part containing blood vessels and nerves. Cutting the quick causes pain and bleeding, creating a negative experience for the pet. Regular trimming helps the quick recede, making future trims easier. Paw care extends beyond just nail trimming, encompassing cleaning, moisturizing, and inspecting the paw pads and between the toes. After trimming, use a file to smooth any sharp edges on the nails. Inspect the paw pads for cracks, cuts, foreign objects like burrs or thorns, or signs of irritation. Gently trim the hair between the paw pads to prevent matting, which can collect dirt and debris, leading to discomfort or infection. This also improves traction on smooth surfaces. Applying a paw balm can help moisturize and protect dry or cracked pads. Regular paw care prevents discomfort, promotes hygiene, and contributes significantly to a pet's overall well-being. Always be gentle and reassuring during this sensitive procedure. Ear cleaning and eye care. Ear cleaning is a vital part of routine pet grooming, preventing infections and maintaining overall ear health. Begin by inspecting the ears for any signs of redness, swelling, discharge, or foul odor, which could indicate an infection requiring veterinary attention. So routine cleaning, use a veterinarian-approved ear cleaning solution and cotton balls or soft gauze. Apply a small amount of solution to the cotton ball. Then gently wipe the visible parts of the ear canal and the inner flap, removing dirt and wax. Never insert cotton swabs or any objects deep into the ear canal, as this can push debris further in or damage the delicate structures. Always be gentle and reassuring, especially with pets sensitive about their ears. Regular cleaning helps prevent buildup and allows for early detection of issues. Eye care in grooming primarily involves gently cleaning away tear stains and debris around the eyes. Use a soft, damp cloth or a specialized eye wipe to carefully clean the area around the eyes, moving away from the eye itself. For stubborn tear stains, specific tear stain removers can be used, following product instructions carefully. Always use separate cloths or wipes for each eye to prevent cross-contamination. Inspect the eyes for any redness, discharge, cloudiness, or irritation, which should be reported to the owner for veterinary consultation. Never apply any products directly into the eye unless specifically instructed by a veterinarian. Gentle and consistent eye care enhances a pet's appearance and prevents irritation or infection. Prioritize the pet's comfort and safety during these sensitive procedures. Breed-specific haircuts. Introduction. Breed-specific haircuts are a cornerstone of professional pet grooming, requiring an understanding of breed standards and the ability to execute precise styling. Each breed often has a traditional haircut that highlights its unique features and conformation, developed over generations to suit its original purpose or aesthetic. For example, a poodle's classic cut emphasizes its elegant neck and legs, while a schnauzer's cut maintains its distinctive beard and eyebrows. Learning these standard cuts involves studying breed profiles, understanding coat textures, and mastering specific techniques for clippers, scissors, and thinning shears. This foundational knowledge allows groomers to create looks that are both aesthetically pleasing and true to the breed's heritage. It also helps in managing client expectations and delivering consistent results. Beyond traditional cuts, groomers also need to adapt styles to individual pet needs and owner preferences, while still respecting the pet's comfort and coat health. Sometimes, a modified breed cut might be more practical for a pet's lifestyle, such as a shorter, easier-to-maintain version of a complex show cut. Effective communication with the owner is crucial to understand their desired outcome and to advise them on what is achievable and suitable for their pet's coat type and temperament. This introductory section lays the groundwork for understanding the principles behind breed-specific styling, preparing groomers to approach each pet as a unique canvas. It emphasizes the blend of artistry and technical skill required for successful breed grooming. Always prioritize the pet's comfort and safety. Scissoring and blending techniques. Mastering scissoring and blending techniques is crucial for achieving smooth, natural-looking haircuts and finishes in pet grooming. Scissoring involves using various types of shears, straight, curved, and thinning, to shape the coat, remove bulk, and create clean lines. Straight shears are used for general cutting and creating sharp outlines, while curved shears are ideal for shaping rounded areas like heads, paws, and top knots. Proper hand position, blade angle, and consistent tension are vital for precise and even cuts. Always ensure scissors are sharp and clean to prevent pulling the hair or causing discomfort to the pet. Practice and a steady hand are essential for developing proficiency in scissoring. Blending techniques are used to seamlessly transition between different hair lengths or to soften harsh lines created by clippers or straight shears. Thinning shears with their notched blades are the primary tool for blending, as they remove a portion of the hair with each cut, creating a softer, more natural look without leaving obvious cut marks. Backcombing the hair before using thinning shears can help achieve a more even blend. Blending is particularly important on areas like the neck, shoulders, and legs, where a smooth transition from a shorter body cut to longer furnishings is desired. Combining precise scissoring with expert blending creates a polished, professional finish that enhances the pet's natural beauty. Always work with a calm and cooperative pet to ensure safety. Finishing touches and client communication. Finishing touches are the final, crucial steps that elevate a good groom to an excellent one, ensuring the pet looks its best and the client is delighted. This includes a final brush out to remove any stray hairs, a quick wipe of the eyes and nose, and a spritz of pet-safe cologne or deodorizer for a fresh scent. Checking for any missed spots, ensuring symmetry in the haircut, and tidying up the paw pads and sanitary areas are also part of this stage. A final inspection of the pet's overall appearance, from head to tail, ensures every detail is perfect. These small but significant actions demonstrate attention to detail and professionalism, leaving a lasting positive impression on the client. Always ensure the pet is comfortable and happy with the final result. Effective client communication is paramount throughout the entire grooming process, especially during the final handover. When the owner picks up their pet, take the time to discuss the groom, highlight any positive behaviors, and gently point out any health concerns observed, such as skin issues, ear problems, or dental concerns. Provide advice on home care, including brushing techniques, product recommendations, and scheduling future appointments. Active listening to the client's feedback and addressing any questions or concerns they may have builds trust and strengthens the relationship. A positive and informative interaction at pickup ensures client satisfaction, encourages repeat business, and reinforces the groomer's role as a knowledgeable pet care professional. Always maintain a friendly and approachable demeanor. Salon management and customer service. Effective salon management is crucial for the smooth operation and profitability of a pet grooming business, encompassing various administrative and operational tasks. This includes scheduling appointments efficiently, managing client records, and inventory control for grooming products and supplies. Maintaining a clean, organized, and safe working environment is paramount, ensuring compliance with health and safety regulations. Financial management, such as pricing services, processing payments, and tracking expenses, also falls under this umbrella. Implementing efficient workflows and delegating tasks appropriately can significantly enhance productivity and reduce operational stress. A well-managed salon fosters a positive work environment for staff and provides a superior experience for clients. Exceptional customer service is the backbone of a successful grooming salon, building loyalty and encouraging repeat business. This involves creating a welcoming atmosphere, actively listening to client needs and preferences, and providing clear, honest communication about services and pet care. Promptly addressing client concerns or complaints with empathy and professionalism can turn a negative experience into a positive one. Offering personalized recommendations for grooming styles or products and remembering details about individual pets adds a personal touch that clients appreciate. Building strong relationships with pet owners through consistent, high-quality service and genuine care for their animals is key to long-term success. Word-of-mouth referrals are often the most powerful marketing tool in this industry. Advanced grooming styles and competitions. Advanced grooming styles push the boundaries of traditional bleed cuts, allowing groomers to express creativity and showcase their artistic talent. This can include intricate Asian fusion styles, which often feature whimsical, rounded shapes and unique patterns, or highly stylized show cuts that demand extreme precision and attention to detail. Mastering these advanced techniques requires a deep understanding of coat mechanics, advanced scissoring skills, and a keen eye for aesthetics. It often involves specialized training beyond basic grooming certifications. These styles are not just about appearance. They also require careful consideration of the pet's comfort and the owner's ability to maintain the look. Continuous practice and experimentation are key to developing a unique artistic flair. Pet grooming competitions offer a platform for groomers to hone their skills, learn from peers, and gain recognition within the industry. These events typically involve grooming a pet within a specific time frame, according to breed standards or creative styling categories, judged on technique, finish, and overall presentation. Participating in competitions provides invaluable experience, pushes groomers to refine their precision and speed, and exposes them to new trends and innovations. It's also an excellent networking opportunity, fostering a sense of community among professionals. While demanding, the pursuit of advanced styles and competition success can be incredibly rewarding, elevating a groomer's reputation and opening doors to new career opportunities. It represents the pinnacle of grooming artistry and dedication.